this is Jessa, and this is a quick tip for some social media. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am using a Windows computer. So if you are on a Mac and you hear me say Control, for you it will be Command. Just a final note as well, this tutorial unfortunately isn't for tablet or mobile devices.
So today I'm going to be teaching you how to add board covers to your Pinterest. Now, it's a really great way to make your board look very cohesive and well designed and branded. So as you can see, I've got all my board covers set up like this, and it's really easy to do. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Canva. So we're going to go canva.com and we're going to create our board cover. So when you get to this screen, I want you to go up into the top right corner, hit create a design, and what I want you to do is go, so create a design, custom size, and then I want you to enter the ratio 1500 and make sure it's set to pixels, which is px, then go create a new design. So for this cover, I am going to design myself a little cover here. I might call it, what's a good cover name? I might call it Social Post Inspiration. So I'm going to go to text and I'm going to add some text. Just going to adjust the line height. Beautiful. So now I've got my board cover ready to download. So I'm going to go up into the top right corner, hit the download button, and I'm going to download a JPEG file. I'm going to make sure my quality is bumped right up to 100. So that is downloading now. Beautiful. So I have got that ready to go in my download files, which is fantastic. Now I'm going to jump back across to Pinterest. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is create a board. So far right, this little plus button here, I'm going to create a board. And I'm going to call it Social Posts Inspiration. I'm going to go create. And that will suggest some pins. I'm not going to add any pins to it at the moment because it's a lot easier to add a board cover if you've got an empty board. So I'm going to click off that. I'm going to go back to my previous screen and you'll see my Social Post Inspiration board has appeared there right at the beginning. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a pin for the board cover. So right hand side, click the plus button. I'm going to go pin. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload the image that I made in Canva. There it is there. Now don't worry about that warning. I'm going to give it the same name as what the board cover is. I'm going to make sure it's going to that new board, which is my Social Post Inspiration board, and I'm going to hit publish, and that will load for a second. Beautiful. So I have created a pin. Now if we go back and we refresh this page, that pin has been created in there. Now it's automatically gone to the first place, but if for example I was to add other pins to this, that board cover would get bumped down the line. So there's one more step in the process, which is to set this image as the board cover. So I want you to go to this screen here, mouse over the board that you want to set the cover for, click the little pencil icon, and at the top I want you to select board cover, and it'll show all the pins on your board. Select the one that we have just uploaded, go done. Beautiful. Now if I refresh, that should work. So I'm going to jump into here and I'm just going to add a couple of pins to this board just so I can show you how it's going to look. Beautiful. I've added some pins. Now if I go back to my Pinterest and go to saved, just refresh. Beautiful. You'll see how the board cover has stayed there and all the extra pins have just sort of loaded down the side. So that is how to add a board cover to Pinterest. It's really cool and I hope you give it a try.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.